Hello, engineers. Today we will be discussing about different challenges the teachers experience while teaching engineering online. So, training engineers online presents several challenges compared to the traditional in-person training. So, we will look at some of those challenges and problems. And these problems, what I am going to mention here, most of the problem has been now reduced because of the high-end technologies available nowadays. Even though we just want to discuss those points so that we can understand this all can be a problem while we do online training on engineering topics. In engineering training, people want hands-on experience. So whether we can provide those kind of hands-on experience in our online training method, that is number one challenge. So there is engineering often requires hands-on experience with tools, equipment, and materials. So online training may lack the physical interaction and necessary to develop practical skills. So is this can replace present digital methods? Anyway, we can see that even though the technology is advancing just like anything and coming with a lot of technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, then metaverse, and many other technologies which help or enhance the training online, especially for engineers where when they learn the technical things, they may require a real-time experience on things. So that gap is reducing nowadays with the advancement of technology. And still hands-on experience is very important, and classrooms able to provide that, or the labs where we set up the equipments can able to provide that. So in digital methods, if limitations by training those people who already working on those technologies. If they are somebody who's already works on particular technology, then it's very easy to train them online. The second one is that limited interactivity. It says so that online platforms struggle to provide the same level of interactivity as in-person training. This can hinder engagement, and especially for complex engineering concepts. If you want to complex problems and concept about a particular technology, then direct interaction is better. So direct interaction has its own advantage. Nowadays, the technology is doing its best to interactions with students in different presentations method, virtual reality experience and all, and also other platforms where they can interact seamlessly. Limited interaction happening online platforms earlier because of the limited internet connectivity and the bandwidth. Nowadays, it's also improved interaction also happening very fast. And other one is that technical limitations. So the same thing only in other perception we are telling. Online training relies heavily on technology, and which can be prone to technical issues such as poor internet connectivity, platform glitches, or hardware malfunctions, and all those kind of things. So still many places it's happening. So that also become a limitation while doing the online training. The other one is communication barrier. So same thing, without face-to-face interaction, there is a lot of nonsense in communications like body language or tone of voice can be lost. So leading to misunderstanding and misinterpretations of the material or what we communicate. So that can happen more now, but now the technology is so advanced, it can no much glitches on that nowadays. Then the other point is that lack of personalization. So online training may struggle to provide personalized learning experiences tailor-made to individual learners' needs, preferences, and learning styles. Now we can see that at this point also the digital platforms, digital coaches are doing better way. They put training material customized for individual learners. So earlier, teacher has an upper hand in deciding and giving the kind of guidelines to each individual student's requirement. But it takes time that he has to attend each and every one by one. But nowadays, through digital platforms and digital technologies, they can make the customized packages, and it made it tailor-made, depend upon the different category of students. And also, while they interact with the students, they can also give a specified solution as per the requirement. So lack of personalization was one of the problems earlier we were facing in online training. Then difficulty in demonstration. So similar things that earlier also, because most of them related to communications, that Now a demonstration becomes complex. We are explaining difficult concepts and experiments online. It is a challenging thing, especially if high quality visuals or physical models are required. And now that kind of problems is not much there because the internet becomes so powerful and the communication methods are different kinds of communication methods are available to meet these challenges. Collaboration challenges. We had a mindset that we have directly meeting the people only, then we can collaborate like that. So engineering often involves the teamwork and collaboration. So online platform may not be facilitated efficiently in collaboration as well as in personal interaction too. So that effective collaborations can happen in a personal, person-to-person, face-to-face interaction. Nowadays, people are able to do with online visual video conferences and communication. They are able to do that. That problem of collaboration also taken away by the advanced technology systems. Then assessment and feedback. Providing timely and constructive feedback as well as assessing progress accurately can be more challenging in online setting compared to traditional methods. Yes, but now the technology has grown little in a better way, so there is it's on tools where we can assess the student, do the assessment, and also can give feedback on time. So those kind of methods have been developed in digital technologies, but sometimes having some qualities which is not captured by the other by the digital methods can able to get from the direct to direct interactions. That is a challenge nowadays. Also, it's a problem. In motivation and engagement, maintaining a learner motivated and engaged over extended period on online environment can be difficult, particularly without direct supervision and accountability. So that also big challenge nowadays, but the kind of commitment, if the teacher and the student shows, then this cannot be a problem at all. And in online digital platform also, there is some kind of accountability we can bring between the students and teachers and between the students, so that the environment can be better for motivation and engagement. So that is also possible. So resource limitation, resources, because engineering training requires a lot of resources like machineries, softwares, equipments and other materials and all. So if we are not physically, it's not available to experiment for all the students. So digitally, we cannot help on to experience those things other than virtually or in augmented reality way on metaverse and like that. But this training environment we can bring in a digital way also. And when the training is to those people who already working on that particular technology and software, it becomes much easier for giving a training to the student. So that is the big limitations, but we have to look it in a different way, like that basic education, you required the direct training. But after that, they may be working on a particular technology. That time, giving an online training is very easy. They can also understand what's the problem they are on hand they are experiencing. So addressing the challenges required innovative instructional design, use of interactive technologies, incorporation of simulation and virtual reality tools, fostering online communities for collaboration and continuous improvement based on feedback from trainers and learners. Additionally, a blend of approach to combines online learning with occasional personal session or practical workshops can help to mitigate some of these challenges. Hope that this session is useful and you have got some of the ideas and the challenges that generally people face who are getting into training technical things online. If you are already experiencing such kind of problems as a learner or as a trainer, please comment below. Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar Kepi. I am the engineer's growth coach and I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living with a purpose in their life. In this regard, I help engineers to become digital coaches on their engineering expertise. If you want to know more details about this, you may please check the description. And thank you for watching this video. If you are not yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much. See you again.